In this video, I'll show you how to send a purchase order in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the third option, which is Purchases. Now, below Purchases, head over to the third option and click on Purchase Orders. And once you are on the Purchase Orders section, head over to the top and click on the fourth tab, which is Approved. Now, once you are on the Approved section, what you need to do is simply hover on a purchase order in which you want to send. On the left-hand side, you want to click on the checkbox to select that purchase order. And at the top, you will have two options, either to print or email. If you want to print a purchase order, it will show a pop-up, and at the bottom, you can mark it as sent. If you want to email a purchase order to send, click on the second option for email. Want to do that, in here, you can set a template for your purchase order. So in here, I will choose the basic. On the right-hand side, you can change the subject as well as the message. You can even add placeholders for the message. So at the top, click on Add Placeholder. From here, we can set a delivery detail. And once you're done, at the bottom in the left corner, you can send yourself a copy. And on the right-hand side, just simply click on Send. Now, once you click on Send on the right-hand side of ABC Furniture, it will automatically say that the status is sent. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.